Who's the hero here? You or your audience? In Avengers Endgame, remember when all the female heroes randomly assembled and struck a battle pose? It should have been epic. I wanted it to be epic. The girls watching deserved it to be epic. But even the best storytellers can fall into this trap. Marvel Studios, part of Disney, even debated this scene internally after test audiences called it pandering. And they still fumbled the moment. It felt like Marvel was winking at us like, see what we did for the girls? And suddenly, it didn't feel like it was about the heroes anymore. Something else was happening. But why did it feel this way? Because great characters don't need a wink. Like Arya Stark in Game of Thrones. We meet her as the troublemaking youngest daughter of House Stark. Tragedy strikes, her family's betrayal and slaughter. She's forced into hiding, trained under brutal conditions, and is forged into an assassin. So when her moment finally comes, we've lived every beat with her. Loss, training, trials, transformation, and payoff. Or Kill Bill, the bride starting at her wedding rehearsal, an ordinary world, shattered by betrayal, of course, left for dead, her unborn child gone. She wakes from a coma, begins her trials, training, hunting down enemies, gaining her strength. Her journey builds to epic battles, each of them earned. We don't just watch her comeback, we experience it. So who's the hero here? Is it the film studio or the characters? In marketing, is it the brand or is it the customer? As someone who's managed 6-figure monthly ad budgets with over 14 years experience, Google and HubSpot certified, why do I do that? It's tempting to make it about us. Imagine if Duolingo struck a pose like this. We're the #1 global provider of award-winning solutions. Now here's their actual journey-focused line. The free, fun, and effective way to learn a language. That's awesome. The other was about them. This was about you. That's the story our marketing should tell. People like you, right where you are, have transformed into where you want to be. Because when storytellers forget who the hero is, your place isn't on the battlefield striking a pose. This is you.
The lords of Westeros are sheep. Are you a sheep? No. You're a dragon. Be a dragon.
Your turn. What's a movie scene or brand spot that pulled you out of the story because they made it about them and not you? Who's the hero here?